All right, good morning, Pop Pops Bees. Swarm number 6. This is a big one. We're going to try to get them in the box and let them settle down. They started hanging last night, so they've been on the tree limb a little while. They might be a little pissy.
I saw them completely coned up last night. I was coming out the driveway to take the dogs to the river, and it just caught my eye.
So they've been hanging for 12 hours at least. We're going to get them in the box and see if we can save them. Here we go. I get my tail tore up. They think it's funny. I'm videoing. All right. Yeah. Let's do this at a different angle. Cause I'm gonna have to lean. All right. I really wish that they hadn't been hanging so long. Cause if I knew they weren't gonna be ugly.
So you think we're good right here?
You might be. I mean, you can back up if they don't like what I'm about to do. And they're probably not going to like what I'm about to do.
Oh God, I can't run.
I really didn't want them to drop too far.
I tried calling him straight to voicemail.
One going up the fence leg. You got the majority of them in there.
Do you got the queen?
Probably. We'll know here in a minute.
One just landed on me, but it didn't
Don't
sleep me.
swat. Don't
I'm
run.
not.
You take that camera and turn it this way.
Yeah, don't swat or they'll become aggressive.
That's a box full of bees right there. I'm gonna tell you this. So now they're gonna get pissy for the simple fact that the last place the queen mark was up there.
Yeah.
So now they've got to reestablish where she's at. So yeah, they're liable to not be real happy about that.
Okay. You know you got her in the box?
No, I'll know in a minute.
Okay.
I'm getting ready to go up here and look for her.
I'm wondering if I see her right now. I see a big rock right there in between the. I'm trying to think what I see. Right in the curve, right in on the other side. I see something big.
Might be a drone.
Okay.
Boy, that tree limb ain't a whole lot to it.
It's probably everything. Oh, that's so much fun. Oh yeah.
Let them start fanning over there.
Yeah.
Move her center around. She's in the box.
Yeah, I know the most important thing is you gotta get the queen. I'll go over wherever the queen goes.
Only bee I got to get in there is the queen.
Yeah. Holy cow. We were guessing at least 3,000. I'm thinking more.
Oh no, 10,000 bees in there.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Trying to make sure he's got her. The way they're still hugging. Oop. Is that her? I was about to say, right where your hand just was, I just saw a big old girl, a big something. Come over here now. I'm not allergic. God knows that I'm trying to get the sun.
So we got a lot of fanning going on over here now. They're piling in the box.
Good.
So that more than likely means we got the queen in the box.
Okay. Here we go. I remember one year I got stung 5 times by carpenter bees. Yeah. If you step on them, you do. I just stepped on them away. Every time the sting would be worse and worse, and I started becoming almost like allergic to them. I'm like terrified of getting stung now.
Yeah, these are getting a little defensive up here now.
Yeah.
They don't like to be manhandled.
I still see bees aren't as bad as wasps, though. God, getting stung by a wasp sucks. I hate getting stung by a wasp. You hear them fly by and say creepy. Oh,
You sure you won't bees?
I know. I do. I really do. I want to protect them head here.
All right. I think we got her in the box. Let's see if we're still recording.